contains 30,000 tonnes of rubbish. Amount of rubbish in the tip increases by 5% each year. Explain why the amount of rubbish in the tip after n years is given by this function. So if we read the information, initially we begin with 30 tonne. Right, and hopefully by now you understand that initially means when the function is 0. Right, we've got a general formula that's k times a to the power of n. Basically k times a to the power of 0 becomes just k, and that's 3,000 tonnes. So we know that we can substitute this value, 3,000, into k, and we're just going to figure out the a value. Now we know this fact that it increases 5% each year. Well, first of all, this is a growth because it's increasing. Now, remember that growth graphs has to have an a value greater than 1. So basically, to be greater than 1, we're just going to figure out what the increase of 5% each year means. Well, first of all, let's change 5% into a decimal place, which is just 0.05. So all I have to do is make sure this a is 1. Wouldn't be 1 anymore, it'll become 1.05 because we just add that 0.05 each. That's all I have to do. Therefore, that's why the AN becomes 3,000 from the initial, and then 1.05. This just means increases 5% every year in mathematical terms. That's just what it stands for. Alright, so B. Find the amount of rubbish in the tip after 5 years. Well, that's A of 5. So that's all I got to do in the calculator. That's 3,830 tonnes. Alright, A of 10 for II. So that'll be 10. Put it in the calculator. You should get 4,890 tonnes. Alright, all I have to do is graph it now. I'm just going to go a little bit smaller. That's the room I have. Alright, sketch the graph. So this is my A, which is tonnes. This is my N, which is in years. Alright, so let's give it a go. My minimum value is 3,000. Maximum value is 4,890. So I'm going to go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. And then I'm going to go up to 10 years. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so we mark them. When it's 0, it's about 3,000. When it's at 5 years, it is about 4,000. When it's at 10 years, it's about 5,000. So here we go. Here's our graph. That's it.